Let's learn the action names with the help of flashcards. Thanks for landing here. Make sure you subscribe this channel to learn with fun. Talk, T for talk. Drink, D for drink. Write, W for write. Cry, C for cry. Sleep, S for sleep. Run, R for run. Sit, S for sit. Smile, S for smile. Sing, S for sing. Think, T for think. Kiss, K for kiss. Read, R for read. Eat, A for eat. Drink, D for drink. Smile, S for smile. Drink, D for drink. Cry, C for cry. Smile, S for smile. Drink, D for drink. Read, R for read. Cry, C for cry. Write, W for write. Sleep, S for sleep. Run, R for run. Run, R for run. Write, W for write. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel to learn with fun.